Good morning, my beautiful children. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can become one of my children. I don't want to be late. I just got back from the gym. Now I'm about to go and take the trash out, and then I'll come back, shower, and then get ready for work. And I don't want to be late. Like, I literally have 20 minutes to get ready and then Uber and go to the airport because I'm not trying to miss my flight. Boarding time is at 9:15, but I want to be there before 8:15, so I'm there like an hour before. So that means I need to leave my house at like 7:15, 7:20. Content is honestly. I've requested, my driver is like 12 minutes away, which means I'll arrive at 8:25, and I wanted to be there an hour before my flight. So hopefully I don't experience problems. I'm really praying because I was busy filming and then that took a lot of time. But I'm done getting ready. I'm just wearing my work t-shirts, black pants from Mr. Price, and those loafers. But I'll show you my outfit properly. I'm done packing. I've also made myself some oats that I'm just gonna have in the car. But now I'm just waiting for my Uber driver, so let's get going. I don't want to delay this any longer because right now I need that driver to arrive in Fancy, and then we just take off and are looking lean. So let's do that. Jabulo, ngiyacabanga sofika ngoba isikhathi. We are here, guys. This is such a gorgeous place. I'm not here alone. I'm here with my colleague. He just agreed to give me the master bedroom, so I'm so happy about that. I literally thought he was gonna be like, I'm older, so, but it's such a chilled guy. He was like, no, it's fine, you can have it, I don't mind. So I can vlog for you guys from this room. Just said okay. Yeah. He's out. Yeah. Good morning, beautiful chummies. Welcome to another day of this vlog. I'm coming live from market. It's 5:30 in the morning. I'm actually about to change into my gym gear because I want to go for a morning run since I'm booked into an Airbnb and there is no gym. I want to keep my routine in all these trip travels that I normally take because this is what actually breaks my routine, and then when I get home I'm not as consistent anymore at the gym because I'm like, I didn't go to the gym for like 3 days, so why should I go for like the last 2 days or whatever. So the goal is to go out running, and I'm about to get ready to do that. What? That was like literally 15 minutes, but ready for the day. Let's go for breakfast. Morning run, done for the day. My colleague joined me and he killed me. Good morning. Welcome to the last day of this vlog. Our last day at Margate. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick apartment tour because I didn't give you that. I only showed you my room. I just didn't want to make my colleague uncomfortable. But while he's busy packing and getting ready to leave, let me quickly show you the apartment.